All right, we're back. Most definitely, you see the alarm went off on us. I had got the zones mixed up, but we did the writing and got it straightened out. All right, well, we're back to that glass breakage detector, and that's my motion sensor going off on me. And now we're going to turn the sensor. Should be able to see it. There we go. All right, now I'm going to set it so it comes back on. Slowly. There we go. Just a tad bit back. Okay, just a little bit back. A little bit back. There we go. Right there. Okay. All right, now I'm going to go back into the programming and put it back to instant. And that was my motion sensor. It's very sensitive too. Motion sensor. All right. So I'm going to go back into my programming. Let's see. Make sure I do this right. Yep, we're right. Zone 4, right? Yes. All right. Now I'll turn that back to 7 for instant. Yep, very sensitive. And we're done. All right. So now we're all set. Now, if anybody bumps that window or open up that window too far or breaks that window, you'll trigger off my alarm panel. Just like that, baby. So come on over here and she's all set. Oh yeah, she'll trigger if you mess with her. So now I'm just gonna leave this window open. That's how I do all the windows in the basement. And I'll put it just about right there. That's at them too. Just about that far. Just a little gap. Because the force of his hand pushing this window any further will pop it right off and it'll dangle and there you go, the alarm is going off. So this is much air that you want. I mean room. This is how much room. No more than that. You feel me? That's how much air you want to come through. So you'll have no intruders. And the sensor cocked right there. Just like a trigger. So, that's about it, man. Peace.